Hi, this is Dr. Grande. I hope you find this video useful. If that's the case, please like it and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Alright, so let's, if we could, let's rank those two things. Right, so one is everyone's judging me. If they saw how I was.
Yeah.
And the other is a poor grade. Which one is a larger fear for you?
I would say maybe like judging.
Okay, so the grade's a concern.
Yeah, but I figure I could do better on a subsequent one. But when people have this opinion of you, I feel like that doesn't go away as quickly.
All right. And what would it mean if they thought you were anxious during that presentation?
I guess I worry that they would think I'm anxious because I don't know what I'm doing or I don't belong there.
Okay, I don't belong there.
Yeah.
All right. So if they notice your anxiety, then they think you don't belong at that level.
Yeah, like I don't deserve to be in that program.
I don't deserve to be in that program.
Yeah.
Okay. If they don't recognize those symptoms, they wouldn't think that, but if they do, that's what they might think.
Right, like that maybe they think that's why I'm anxious or that's why I'm not doing well.
Well, how do you feel about your abilities and status in the program you're in?
I think, typically I'm one of the top students in my program, and I seem to get the concepts pretty well. It's just when I have to demonstrate those concepts or demonstrate via like a presentation or something that I'm worried that, maybe I'm an imposter or something. But, so I start to question myself. But I think in general that, I'm a pretty good student before this.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm doing pretty well in the program.
All right, so you're a good student. You recognize that. You have this one area where you don't feel like you do a great job, and that's presentations.
Yeah.
But in terms of grade, you really only had one bad presentation grade.
Yeah.
But grades aside, you're anxious and you're worried your classmates are going to pick up on that.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So if they thought you use the word imposter. Right?
Yeah.
So if they thought you were an imposter, let's just say that was something they actually believed because of what's been happening.
Yeah.
What would that mean? What would it mean to you if your classmates thought you were an imposter?
I don't know, maybe I am. Maybe I don't deserve to be there.
I don't deserve to be there.
Yeah, like maybe I shouldn't be in this program. Like maybe I should just drop out.
Alright, so if they believe you're an imposter based on these physical symptoms and this anxiety, maybe that means to you anyway, maybe that means you are an imposter, you shouldn't be there.
Yeah.
What's it feel like to say that?
Depressing.
Yeah?
Yeah, I feel like I've worked really hard, to get through, at least halfway through my program, and it really hurts to think that would be true.
To think that this whole time you've been faking it, you don't really belong there.
Yeah.
So, I'd like to move a little bit into evaluating evidence, if that's okay.
Sure.
Right? So in cognitive therapy, we like to look at what we're feeling and what we're thinking, and what we can see, what's observable around us, and that becomes evidence, and then we analyze it, we evaluate it.
Okay.
You're worried at some level. You're worried that you don't deserve to be where you are right now.
Yeah.
That you're not good enough to be a student in this program.
Yeah.
In the program you're in. What evidence supports that belief that you're not good enough?
Now that I'm thinking about it here, I mean, there's not a ton to support it.
Okay.
But on that day, I can think of all sorts of things to tell myself.
Well, let's go there then on that day.
So maybe like, I'm not prepared, or because I'm messing up on the presentation, that I'm going to get a bad grade. And if I can't speak in front of people, how am I going to speak in front of kids as a teacher? One day that it will translate to something else. Like if I can't get past this.
So even if I survive the program somehow, I might be bad at my job.
Yeah.